Alright, here's another issue this thing has. It's got this loud whistling noise. And I thought it was intake first. I checked all the intake stuff. Well, if you pull this out, look, it stopped. Well, there's a crazy vacuum here too. See? It also sputters once in a while. It has like it says condition running lean. The problem is this right here. You got to replace this manifold. This is PCV valve. It gets clogged up and doesn't work. So you got to replace this part right here. If you do this or this, it's gonna stop the whistle. It means the PCV valve is not working properly. So there's a lot of vacuum inside the engine.